This video will demonstrate how to install or replace a contactless encoder in the HID FARGO DTCii Instant Issuance Card Printer. Disconnect the power and USB cables. Remove the two screws from the back of the printer just underneath the top cover using a Torx T10 screwdriver. Hold the door to steady the printer and prise off the top cover. Disconnect the contactless encoder's USB cable from the board. Then disengage the encoder cable from the printer chassis. Hold the printer display unit and pull the top outwards to release it. The contactless encoder can now be seen in the bay directly behind the display's normal position. Pull the encoder out of the bay to release it from the printer board. If installing a replacement encoder, lift the display unit out of the way and slide the new encoder into the bay. Ensure solid contact with the printer board by pushing the encoder firmly into place. Place the bottom of the display unit back into position and push the top of the unit firmly into the housing. Route the encoder's USB cable back through the chassis and connect the cable connector to the board. If previously configuring the other bays, remember to replace the plate retaining the magnetic and contact encoders. Replace the top cover, ensuring that it snaps firmly into place, leaving no gaps around the edges. Secure the top cover by replacing the two Torx T10 screws removed earlier. Switch on the printer using the left-hand control button. Once Ready is displayed, press the right-hand pause button twice. Now press the left-hand power button repeatedly to scroll down through the menu. Here you can see which encoders are enabled. To see more technical videos, please visit our HID YouTube channel.